It looks so good. Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a wig from Amazon. This wig was only $60. I paid with it. I paid for this wig with my own money, so you guys don't have to worry about it being sponsored or nothing like that. So the wig I'm using today is from Sensationnel. It's their Cloud 9 Swiss lace, wet lace, and it's a hairline illusion lace wig. I'm just going to try the wig on before I customize it, tint the lace, pluck it, and all that stuff, just because I want to see like how it looks straight out of the box. So this is what the curls are giving. I don't know, it's kind of questionable. I've never worn a wig with curls like this, so I want to see if I can like really make this work. It's definitely about to be something different, but I am able to put heat on this hair up to 410 degrees, so I'm going to assume that it's more or less like a synthetic fiber wig. So I was trying to start out small with my little Amazon wig series, okay, but I'm going to go up a little bit higher. Maybe some ways they're going to be like 100, maybe some will be 200, but I'm trying to stay within the 200 and below range. Okay, so the first step to customizing is going to be me tinting and coloring the lace. I want to get it as blendable and as seamless as possible with my ball cap. I'm going to take this Erica J dark brown lace hue lace tint. I'm actually not sure if Erica J is selling her lace tints anymore. I know I've looked on her website within the past and these didn't come up at all on her website, so I don't know. I really did like her lace tint, so I hope that's like not true and she's just like bringing it back or something. First thing I'm gonna do is just spray this lace, and I'm only gonna do like one little layer of this because this is pretty dark. I'm also going to take some of this foundation powder and apply this to the inside of my lace. I'm not going to miss any step that I would normally do on a more expensive wig. I'm just going to do the same type of customization method on this more affordable $60 wig as well. This is one of those wigs. This happens, you know, this happens a lot of times with my wigs. So I see I'm going to need more of a heavy duty, get the job done type of product. I'm going to have to use some of my liquid foundation because the powder and the lace tint ain't doing it for the lace. Now the way I'm gonna do this is less is more. So just take a little bit on the brush, kind of spread it out all over the brush, start to apply it inside the wig until the lace is all covered. Alrighty, so y'all can clearly see the first thing we need to do is do some plucking to this hairline. We're gonna have to do some work on this wig. This is not a straight out of the box throw in and go type of wig, but it is no problem trying to just figure it the hell out as we go. The way I normally like to do my plucking, and if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, I definitely do have one up on my channel. I'm gonna probably put a card in somewhere around here, but I just like to take out a little small section. I'm not really gonna do anything to the sides, so I'm really just going to concentrate like in the front. You guys see it's not enough room to pluck on the sides, so I just parted out the section that I want to start with as far as plucking. Most likely I'm going to continue to go back, and when I have the plucking to my liking in the front, I'll move on to plucking the part.
To the real, my word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world to mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learn through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't in my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go of wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. All we got is the time we allotted.
Okay, y'all, so we are looking like something. This is looking really good for it to be only $60. And I'm gonna move on to the next step. And the next step is basically me just cutting this lace and trying to melt this lace down with my hairline as much as possible. I'm not trying to do no baby hair, okay? I'm not trying to do any baby hair, but I feel like I'm gonna have to kind of sorta to manipulate the lace a little bit. Maybe not. I will decide when I get towards the end of the install. Yeah, we're just going to cut this lace and just see what it's given.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah. A place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time.
Okay, you guys, so this is looking way better than I even freaking imagined. I kind of want to take my spray one more time. Just spray in the front on this side. There we go. Wow, this is why I love this spray so much. It's not a holding spray. I don't want y'all to get it confused. I don't really think it does like a really good job with like holding the lace in place, but if you have a really good holding spray and then you have this as like a melting spray, listen, it's the last touch that y'all never thought y'all needed. I can't believe I need to do like a replay, like what it looked like before I started customizing it and then now, because I can't even believe this is $60. It's just like, it's just one section, y'all know I'm a perfectionist. Like, I think this is as good as it's possibly gonna get, so I'm gonna just, you know, move on because I could be here all day doing this. So I already went ahead and hot combed. I used this hot comb that I got from my subscriber. She sent this to me. I'm going to link it down below because it is poppin'. I only used it on 355 degrees. The box says that the fibers are able to go up to about 410. They say that, but a lot of times, like if you have a really good hot comb or a really good flat iron that can get super hot, don't do 400 degrees, sis. It's not fully synthetic hair, but it's not virgin hair either. So I am going to take my EapHeat 1.5 flat iron. I have this on 340 degrees. The ends of the hair are like kind of wavy, but then if you look at like the top of it, it has potential, but I'm most likely gonna try like straightener curls. I'm gonna show you guys exactly like what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna try to do my best, y'all. I don't really know how it's about to look, but we gonna make it work.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home, but
So I went ahead off camera and finished my makeup, and I just want to say, like, can we just get into it, honey? I'm just using a little bit of my Sebastian Shaper Spray and spraying on both sides so that it's no static, it's no frizz, it's no flyaways. I can't believe that this is what the wig looked like. I feel like this is so freaking cute. This is not $60. This wig is not $60 no more. Hoppin'. I mean, I wish that the lace was actually like full lace all around. I kind of want to do like a behind the ear. Oh my gosh, GIRLA, what is going on? What is going on my ear? Clearly leftover bold hold, okay? I love the fact that this is a pitch black wig. This is a #1. They have like, I think up to 15 different colors. I was going to try the other colors, but I decided to just go with the safe route and just do jet black. So for those that are probably like, why the hell did you cut the wig? It's because it makes a difference. I feel like with like more affordable, cheaper hair, the longer the hair is, the more tangled it's going to get over time. So instead of just waiting until this starts knotting up and all that hot ass messness, I decided to just beat the gun and just go ahead and cut it, because to be honest with y'all, I was probably gonna end up cutting it anyway. So this is what we are giving y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about this wig install down in the comments, and I will definitely make sure I leave this wig down below as well. For this to be a $60 wig, I don't know if my skills of like wig installs are like highly improving, or this wig just did just that. The lace is so bomb. Like, this lace, honey, where is the lace? Like, when they advertise this as what lace, like, no, seriously, what? I definitely want to keep up with my GIRLA They Did That series. I know I kind of took a break a little bit with wigs, but I am definitely back with the wig videos, especially hair color. Sisa. Definitely make sure you guys are watching out for those videos. We are approaching spring. Y'all know this is a season that your GIRLA comes back with her color wigs. But as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you guys are feeling this wig, because oh my gosh, I just feel like I have been practicing and practicing and practicing, and it is really paying off. As always, I love you guys so much, and can't just as always, I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.